Several Erie event organizers are now waiting to make a decision about whether or not to host annual functions this coming summer. Chelsea Swift joins us now in the control room with more about the factors that these coordinators have to take into consideration at this point. Chelsea?
Hi, Sean. The Erie County Health Department is suggesting a COVID guideline checklist for summer events like 8 Great Tuesdays and sunset concerts.
One expert in tourism, John Oliver, says Erie's summer events require a lot of planning in advance. Oliver says while he's optimistic about summer events, organizers are putting a lot on the line.
By the time we get to July, we're going to be back towards somewhat of a new normal, but where events can take place, but understanding that, those putting the events on, we cannot take that chance.
Oliver adding these organizers are signing contracts with multiple groups and making long-term financial commitments.
While it may be free to attend, there's a cost involved in putting on those events, and even those that aren't free, you have to reach a certain level of attendance in order to cover costs.
The Erie County Health Department is a resource for event planners to ensure that their events are following current state guidelines.
We have asked that anyone planning an event does a checklist to go through their COVID prevention plan. It's not a permit per se. We are just reviewing it to make sure that it meets the mitigation orders.
Pennsylvania state mitigation orders changing on April 4th, so outdoor events can have up to 50% of their capacity at an outside area. But there are still other factors to consider.
The masking order is still universal, so everyone is still required to wear a mask even if it's outside. Social distancing is still in place, so making sure that things are spread out.
Health Department staff say they are hosting webinars going over the checklist for event organizers to help clarify any questions or concerns. Sean?
Chelsea Swift reporting tonight.